Hey, hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying a lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how you can activate the new breathing setting inside of VNyan. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, you're going to go into menu, then go to settings, then you're going to go into tracking effects. And then over here, you can see the different kinds of effects that you can add. Now, I'm going to focus on breathing for this tutorial. So go ahead, click on use breathing motion. You can also link it to the heart rate since VNyan has native pulsoid support. So it's really great for horror streams and stuff. So you can do that if you want, up to you. I'm going to have it on. And pretty much what you can do is that you can start by adjusting the sliders. So you can set the speed to be really fast. As you can see, I'm breathing. You can even have the lift multiplier to be bigger as well. This has it where it moves your root motion, so it does move your entire body, so it makes it this could be great for like a floating movement if your character is supposed to be flying, by the way. Wink, wink. You can fly! But besides that, if you don't want that, you can just simply leave it low or turn it off. You can even set up the rotation multiplier, of course, where you can move back and forth like so. And then you can also add a scale, so you can be just scaling around like as if you're actually breathing. So pretty much just adjust it to however you want. But of course, you can have it really crazy if you gotta breathe. But I personally would just leave it low unless you want to do some pulsoid stuff. But otherwise though, that's pretty much it for the tutorial. You just adjust it however you want and call it a day. And with that being said, have a lovely day everyone, and see you guys next time. And also don't forget to join the VNyan Discord server if you need further help. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me, and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey, goodbye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!